Good day, everybody. There's the hair we're gonna cut today, and we're gonna make it like a gentleman's haircut. Using regular clipper and 3/16 attachment.
So it's not summer yet, so don't make it too short.
Yes, sir.
Let me still keep my hair so I can have a little bit of coverage.
We'll make it nice.
Yeah, you cut it for me. I left let's see.
Nice.
I left about the 20th of December, something like that. Yeah. So you cut it about the 15th of December, and then I got it cut one time in the Canary Islands. I got one haircut since then. So it's been about a month and a half since I got it cut.
Still looks nice.
All that sun got rid of some of
it. Because you know how to manage it.
That sun got rid of some of my brown hair.
I told the other guys, it helps, but ultimately it's you guys.
Yeah.
To give you an example, I told them about the Prime Minister. Johnson.
Okay.
I said, he's got a lot of nice hair. Thank you. And I don't know why Boris wants his hair to look like he just got up from
yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah.
See, so the barber, I say, probably did the best he can.
Yeah.
But
the guy doesn't take care of it.
Mr. Prime Minister,
yeah,
wanted to look like that.
Yeah.
And he said, yeah, he became famous with that hairstyle.
Yeah. He's not the Prime Minister anymore, is he?
Well, I don't know. See, because he's got a nice hair, maybe well grown and everything, not like Prime Minister Johnson.
Yeah.
So we don't know. I don't. But I noticed the first time Prime Minister Johnson with his hairstyle.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a mess. So, what's in my jacket smells so good over there? That's something new. I don't have I don't have any dogs.
Go back inside.
Who's this? Your new dog?
New one.
New one, huh? Yeah.
A girl.
A little girl, huh?
Jaya, go back inside, please.
Jaya?
You gotta check everything out. You gotta look at everything. Who's this? Who are these people? What's this guy doing here? Who's this guy coming in my house? Who is this guy? Yeah. Yeah, what are you doing, troublemaker? Oh, I feel so sorry for you, puppy. Oh, gosh. Oh. So this problem with the spine is a recent problem, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, gosh. Oh, sorry.
Yep. They thought, oh, he's getting old. I said, well, he will be 6 years old this coming April.
You can use your hind legs now. Good.
Oh.
So, probably not the age.
Yeah. He keeps trying, though, huh?
Yeah. He's trying.
He's trying.
So it looks like you had a little snow while I was gone.
Oh, yeah. It snowed.
It's crazy, huh?
Well, thank God we only have that instead of what the other guys are getting.
Oh, some people, yeah.
Too much water.
Too much water, yeah.
It shakes a lot.
Yeah, I just talked to some friends in California this morning down in Morro Bay there,
Oh boy.
and they got rain, they got flooding up in the Sierra Mountains. You know, they got well, they got 10 feet one night or something up there. You know, close the I-80 going over
You
the
can
pass.
ski with that
Yeah.
snow, huh?
And they're not prepared for it. They don't have four-wheel drive. They don't have snow tires. They don't have, you know, just you know. I mean, here,
I said, I thought we have too much, but you got more.
yeah. Oh, yeah. And you know, we're a little bit better prepared for it too. And we know, we know it's snow. It's a little bit too much, more than normal, but you know, we can still handle it.
So,
You know,
yeah, I think this is okay.
yeah. Yeah, it could be something a lot worse. We could be like in Texas, where half of the state is on fire, right?
Yes, sir.
Or someplace else where they have no control over it. So,
Yes, sir.
but you know, in our cul-de-sac up there, we've had the best snow plowing this year that we've ever had. And about 4 or 5 days ago, they came in and took most of the snow. They left maybe one truck there, one truckload, but they hauled off tons of snow, and then all the way down Dubin and up part of Oklahoma and stuff there. They're hauling snow last night, so probably this week, probably they're going to be in your street here pretty soon, picking up snow.
Yes, because they are spreading the bad news. the group who are
Against Bronson.
Bronson.
Yeah,
So,
yeah. He wants to get elected, so he's doing what he can to try to take care of the snow, and it's the best snow plowing, because I could see it on my security cameras. Even when I was gone, I could see, and they were in there all the time. I've never seen that much snow plowing in our cul-de-sac. So for us, I don't know about the rest of the city, but we've been fantastic. Usually the cul-de-sac, we are the very end of everything, you know. They get all the main roads, and then maybe they'll get to us, but no, we get good service this year. Did you go vote the primary election the other night? 2 days ago, did you go vote for the primary election?
no. Yeah.
Tuesday, yeah. That was the one where you have Trump and you have Haley, and then you have that Zuzi guy. So
I didn't.
Okay.
I didn't go.
Well, you know, it wasn't real widely publicized. It was kind of quiet. It seemed like.
No, I wasn't paying attention. No.
No, they didn't talk much about it. I just happened to see it, and they over at the Baptist Temple, Jerry Prevost Church. That's where they had. This area was the place over there where you go vote, and it was busy. We got there about 6:30, something like that, and they were only open from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. But man, there was a bunch of people. And my nephew lives out in Wasilla, and he went to vote out there, and he said there was a line down the street at almost 8 o'clock last night. And I guess over here at the church, they're supposed to close at 8, but there were so many people in line, they were open till 9:30. And they had a good system, you know, as far as getting in and getting your ballot and dropping it off and all that kind of stuff. But it was busy.
Careful.
Yeah, I nicked myself this morning with the razor.
Good job, though. Very good job.
Yeah, I let it grow a little longer until I get the Fu Manchu.
Good. Good job.
Did you go to the new Costco?
Yes.
Wow, huh?
Yeah, man.
You got to take extra money when you go there.
Yeah.
Everything's so big, we can't shop there.
It's another company. Because competition is nice.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
You know,
It would be nice to have a Sam's or BJ or something maybe. Yeah. No, I agree. And there's no hot dog stand in there either. That's the problem.
because even if we have a lot of these stores, if it's the same owner,
Oh yeah.
no competition.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah. And to me, usually competition is good for the consumers.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
I wonder if they have plans to put in gas over there. Because there's no gas over there in that whole shopping mall, right?
Yes.
The closest one is right there at Dubin in Muldoon's. That's the closest gas station. With all
maybe they are in the planning.
now, that's what I'm wondering if they have that in the future. Maybe put that in. But that new Costco, everything is so big. We can't shop there. You know, I don't need to buy a whole goat. You know, it's huge. Everything is so big.
But yes, nice.
Yeah.
That way, the people will be, you know, divided instead of going in the same place.
Well, I don't know. We go over to that one on DeBar too, and it doesn't seem like it seems like it's just as busy over there. It's. But yeah, you would think it would split up the shoppers a little bit. But I guess this new one, they service a lot of restaurants and then bush orders and things like that too for larger quantities.
And yeah, some businesses like restaurant businesses are closing up also.
Oh yeah.
See the old piggy by the small airport.
Oh, Peggy's?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's closed now, huh? Yeah.
Piggy. I guess the survivors were not into it. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like remember the old NBA,
Right.
National Bank of Alaska,
Yeah.
when original owners decided to give it to the next generation not interested. So we sold it to what's that?
Well, they sold it off to Wells Fargo, yeah.
And then cars, we sold it to Safeway.
Right,
When cars did a good job competing with Safeway, and then Safeway,
Yeah, Safeway got scared.
right?
They wanted that, yeah. So we
And then they
put
came back.
Yeah. Well, you know, people love it. Alaskans love the Cars name. You know, you go in there, it's all Safeway products, you know, but people still, you know, they're very loyal to Alaska businesses. Oh, Cars is I've shopped at Cars since I was a little kid. I'm not shopping at no Safeway. So that name is very important to stay Cars.
Yep.
Yeah, it's just like Fred Meyer is owned by Kroger. What are they?
I got Fred Meyer is, you know,
Yeah, I like Fred Meyer. We usually shop there.
doing a good job.
I think so. I think so.
Yes. I like their style, like, you know, many planners would like the 99. I said I'd like 98. That's,
Yeah. Yeah. Sure. Yeah.
Yes.
Give it a try. Yeah. Whatever you can do. So who did you wind up using for your plumbing problem?
What was it again?
Who did you use for your plumbing problems?
Family problems?
No, plumbing. Your plumbing
Oh,
problems.
plumbing. Yeah, I called somebody else and then they didn't do a good job for the heater.
Mm-hmm.
Because what happened, the lower floor
Mm-hmm.
doesn't have heat,
Mm-hmm.
but the upper floor has heat.
Really?
Yeah, and supplied by the same boiler.
Yeah, right.
So I went. It looks like whether I opened the zone valve
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
manually.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Doesn't make any difference.
Oh. Okay.
The line doesn't get hot.
Right. Right.
So I said the zone valve. No.
Mhm.
I couldn't find my extra zone valve. So I was gonna replace it.
Yeah.
So I called for help then.
Okay.
He came. No. They replaced the zone valve because that's what I thought. Right. When he left, both floors doesn't have heat anymore.
Both floors now, not just one. He
And he
didn't
wants
help.
me to pay him 470.
Oh my gosh.
Something
No,
like this. I said,
no.
come on. You didn't help. You made it worse.
Right.
No,
You
I'll
should
pay
pay
you
me.
half, I told him. And I called the other guy. I told him. I
Yeah.
called the other guy.
Mhm.
Now I got both heat. Both
Okay.
floors has heat.
Okay.
You know what they're doing.
Yeah.
Hey, you talk like I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't answer that.
Yeah. Right. Yeah.
He knew the answer.
Sure. Sure.
So, yeah.
So did they have to cut the pipe and change the piece inside where the zone valve connects, or what?
The other guy told me that the zone valve replace is okay,
Mm-hmm.
but he replaced another kind, like a regulator inside the
Okay.
boiler.
Okay. Uh-huh.
Okay, so that fixed the
Okay.
problem.
Okay.
Plus, he put some water in the line that
Okay.
get dried out.
Okay. Yeah. Right.
Yeah. So
Good. So he knew what he was
that
doing.
fixed, yeah.
Okay.
But he still recommend because of my boiler age, which is 1976, I think, when they built it.
Yeah.
Mhm.
It's the original.
I mean, please replace your boiler.
Yeah.
It's working now because we fix it, but it might stop again.
Well, and it'll stop in the middle of the winter when it does.
Right.
Not in the summer.
We don't know
Yeah.
when that happens again.
Yeah. Yeah.
Might be in the middle of a winter again.
Yeah.
And so I said, okay, can you give me discount? Well, I think we give discount during summertime or springtime, March.
Springtime. Uh-huh. Yeah.
So about this month.
Okay.
So when I called him about the broken line,
Mm-hmm.
water line,
Mm-hmm.
I told him to remind about that plan.
Right.
He
Good.
hasn't called me yet.
Okay. Okay.
I don't know if it's starting March or only the month of March.
Okay.
They give a discount.
Right. Yeah.
So I don't want to miss that.
No. No. Save whatever you can.
Mhm.
We changed ours.
Or I can sign up and then they come and take the old one out and install the new one in
Mhm.
at their convenient time.
Yeah. Sure.
If that's okay with them.
Yeah. Good.
Mm-hmm.
Ours was the original, also from '81. We changed it a few years ago because it was the same thing, and we were gone during the winter a lot. And so the guy said, "Yeah, you know, it's okay now, but you know, if you're going to California and this thing breaks, you know, and I said, no, let's
Yeah.
change it.
Right. If we were away, to me,
Oh, yeah. Oh,
it would have
no.
been
Oh,
disaster.
yeah. Yeah,
Yeah,
that looks good.
because sometimes when you rely on the nephews, nieces, oh, everything is fine, but it
Yeah.
didn't go.
Yeah, and they don't show up for a week, so you got a week of water running. Yeah, no,
Right.
understand. Oh, it looks nice.
So.
Perfect. Wow, you put some hair on top too.
All
thank
right,
you.
it's still there.
Yeah, that's perfect. Looks great.
Okay,
Looks great. Thank you.
there you go, folks.
5 minutes younger.
Gentleman's haircut.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you for watching.